Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your 1xBet account using Fampay. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu. Once in your menu, go to deposit. Once in deposits, you're going to see a variety of options for making deposits on 1xBet. Then you're going to choose Fampay. Here you can see it, but eventually on your 1xBet app, you should see Fampay. Scroll down to the end of your app and you're going to see an option for Fampay. Looking for it correctly, you're going to see Fampay. Click on it, fill in the different fields asked to you, and confirm. Then you'll be able to make a deposit.